Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to create policy on Sophos Central, and I have created lot of video on the same topic like threat protection, peripheral control, application control, data loss prevention, and web control, and my last video update management. And today I am going to create last of this series video, Windows firewall. So please watch my YouTube channel video, and please go to my home page, and you can email me, you can tag me, you can see my all contents, and please like and subscribe my YouTube channel video. So let's start. So how to create Windows firewall policy on Sophos Central. Scroll down and scroll up and click on add policy and select here policy name Windows firewalls. Select continue, and here you can name NXG firewall, NXG Windows firewall policy, and then click on save. Once you created this name, this you can see the policy is saved. Scroll down and you can see under the Windows firewalls there are two policy. One is a base policy, second one is a NXG Windows policy, which we created recently. Double tap on that policy name. Once you double tap on this, then its policy will be open, and you can see four options: computers, groups, and settings. Go to settings, click on settings, and here are two options. Don't monitor endpoints, want report firewall status so Sophos Central, or monitor endpoint will report firewall status to Sophos Central, monitor and configure network policy. So here you can see if you don't select, then you don't find any information, and if you select here also you don't find information, but here you will get report from Sophos Central. These devices are outdated, you need to update. And if you monitor and configure network profile, click on monitor and confirm network profile, and domain name you can block with exception and block all, or you can private networking, you can allow private networking always block, and public networking inbound traffic you can block. And you can see select connection type of case each profile allow, but I recommend please use monitor only, and it will generate report to you, and you can take the decision what we need to do. Or either you can create policy like this, create a type of policy like in my condition block, this condition also block, and this condition also block inbound traffic. So you can do like this and click on save. But right now I am using this policy for monitor, and I am getting a report from Sophos Central. So click monitor only, endpoint will report firewall status to Sophos Central. Click on save, and we will once you get report, then you can decide we need to block or allow. So how to add users on this profile policy? Double tap on this users, and you can see this policy doesn't apply to any group. You can apply manually. Select endpoint devices, like in my condition demo PC1 is my PC. Select here to move this PC, and then you need to click on save. So now this policy is applied. So you can create like this policy Windows firewalls, and if you get any error, then you can call me, you can email me, chat me, I will help you. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel video, and if you want more information related to Sophos endpoint, then please email me, and I will definitely help you. So please watch my YouTube channel video. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.